In 1960, Chevrolet's Corvette wasn't just a car. It was America's sports car and a symbol of freedom on four wheels, designed to compete on the world stage. With its sleek fiberglass body, bold chrome accents, and unmistakable style, the '60 Corvette captured the spirit of new technology and performance. Under the hood, a 283 V8 with optional ramjet fuel injection or four-barrel carburetor, pushing up to 315 horsepower with a four-speed manual transmission. Lightweight, agile, and built to thrill. Inside, it was all about the drive. Sleek, sporty, and ready to cruise. The Corvette wasn't just about looks. It was made to move. The 1960 Corvette wasn't only built for Main Street, though. It proved itself on the track, scoring class wins at Le Mans and Sebring. Stylish, powerful, pure Americana. The 1960 Corvette, where performance met personality in a way only Chevy could deliver.